Hi there, welcome to 1-2 Steps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open Chase Bank. To learn, watch the video till the end. Chase Bank, or often as Chase, is an American national bank headquartered in New York City that constitute the consumers and commercial banking subsidiaries of the United States. Multinational bank and financial service holding company, J.P. Morgan Chase. To open Chase Bank, first open up any web browser. In this video,
After
I'm going to use
Google, on the URL bar, type in www.chase.com.
It will lead you to the official page of Chase Bank. So that was the process of opening Chase Bank. If you find this video useful, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification so that you could get notified of our newest upload. For now, thank you for watching.